Well, Prime Minister Narendra Modi dialed French President Emmanuel Macron ahead of the Quad summit slated for the 24th of September. The issues taken up by the leaders during the telephonic conversation primarily revolved around the crisis unfolding in Afghanistan. Here's a detailed report.
French President Emmanuel Macron and Prime Minister Modi, over a telephonic conversation, raised concerns over the situation in Afghanistan. The leaders discussed the terror fallout of Taliban takeover, human trafficking and women's rights issue in the war-torn country. Additionally, they also held talks on bilateral collaboration in the Indo-Pacific region. A statement issued by the Prime Minister's office said, and I quote, "In this context, they shared their concerns about possible spread of terrorism, narcotics, illicit weapons and human trafficking, as well as the need to ensure human rights, rights of women and minorities," unquote. And addressing the media, Foreign Secretary Harsh Shringla said that the bilateral talks between Biden and Modi will feature current regional security situation in Afghanistan and growing radicalization and extremism in the region.
The bilateral meetings would also feature current regional security situation following recent developments in Afghanistan, our stakes as a neighbor and a long-standing and preferred development partner of the people of Afghanistan. In this context, we would undoubtedly discuss the need to stem radicalism, extremism, cross-border terrorism, and the dismantling of global terrorist networks.
Addressing the SCO summit on September 17th, Prime Minister Modi cautioned the global community must be careful of legitimizing the new Afghan government.
अफगानिस्तान में हाल के घटनाक्रम का सबसे अधिक प्रभाव हम जैसे पड़ोसी देशों पर होगा और इसलिए इस मुद्दे पर क्षेत्रीय फोकस और क्षेत्रीय सहयोग बहुत ही आवश्यक है। इस संदर्भ में हमें 4 विषयों पर ध्यान देना होगा। पहला मुद्दा यह है कि अफगानिस्तान में सत्ता परिवर्तन इंक्लूसिव नहीं है और बिना नेगोशिएशन के हुआ है। इससे नई व्यवस्था की स्वीकार्यता पर सवाल उठते हैं। महिलाओं तथा अल्पसंख्यकों सहित अफगान समाज के सभी वर्गों का प्रतिनिधित्व भी महत्वपूर्ण है और इसलिए यह आवश्यक है कि नई व्यवस्था की मान्यता पर फैसला ग्लोबल कम्युनिटी सोच समझकर और सामूहिक तरह से ले।
With India making its stand clear ahead of the UNGA and the Quad summit, will the global leaders come together against the terror wrought by the Taliban in the war-torn country? Only time will tell. Bureau Report, Republic TV.